Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write an essay on my favorite teacher. I am charmed by Mr. Asif. He is my best teacher. He is an MA MAd. He is very neat and clean. He is always well dressed. He is our class in charge. He teaches us English and Islamiyat. His method of teaching is very easy. We understand his lessons easily. He is very devoted and sincere teacher. He teaches as well as guides us. He directs us how to lead successful life. He teaches us manners. He loves all the students. To me, he is very kind. He never shows any exertion. He is very cooperative. He helps the poor and the needy. He is the right-hand man of the headmaster. He is very regular in his classes. He is very punctual and dutiful. He is player of the first rank. He plays hockey and badminton. I am proud of him. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.